What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into it, please can I request everyone to like, comment, share, subscribe and all that good stuff. We need to get the numbers up. We need to push this channel to great heights. But yeah, I don't want to bore everyone with a long intro. Let's just get into it, man. So this pair, or this brand even, it's the first time ever I've purchased something from this brand, apart from the odd hoodie. So footwear wise, definitely the first time. The reason I purchased these is, one, I found them quite cheap, so this can basically count as a bargain by review. They are not this cheap anymore, they're quite expensive now. But what I did was I wanted to see if I can find a good alternative to an Air Force One. So I've been looking at other brands. I thought, these are quite Air Force One likes. They're quite Air Force One like. And yeah, man, let's just see if we like them. It's definitely something different. Let's just get into it, people, man. Sometimes it's good to step out your comfort zone. Lacoste on the top of this battered box. This box has been battered galore. Green. Usually it would have the label here. For some reason it's on the other side. So these are called, or the L001, and then it's the colorway is white, navy, red. Long digits, Europe 43, US 10, UK 9. Most important thing, look at that box, man, it's just bad. So this is L001, we're just gonna call them 001s, and let's see. The Lacoste L001. So very much straight off the bat, you can just see, Air Force One vibes for all of those who like Air Force Ones. Definitely not a rip-off. I have to say that they're not a rip-off. They are inspired, let's say, because they're not a rip-off of them. They've, changed up quite a lot of bits. And it's not a lazy one. It's quite different. So like even the sizing and stuff, heights of heel tabs, etc. It's all been changed up quite a lot, but it's quite different. So let's go to the bottom. Plain white sole with a little crocodile, the famous Lacoste logo. White midsole. Quite different to the Air Force One, because the Air Force One doesn't have this much information on it. This one's got quite a lot of info. Then it's pretty much just leather. I don't know how I feel about that quality, not gonna lie. I don't know if it's good or bad. It's kind of tough, so that's, durable. The back heel cup, we'll say, has a embossed Lacoste white crocodile, and then it's grey and it wraps around the back heel. And then this bit, I think they should have put a crocodile here as well, or a Lacoste like in writing. Navy, just a navy back tab, heel tab. Then it's got navy on there that goes all the way around again. Leather, more leather, and then it's got like a little leather under tab, different red. This is like a tape thing that they have here for some reason. It's just a little design, to be honest, doesn't really mean anything. Then the wrap around is also this off-whitish. It's not really white, it's quite off-whitish. Definitely something different. I personally don't really have much things that will go with these. Maybe just some good jeans in the summer or something, some shorts. But the off-white color, I really do like the off-white color, but it's just a thing of where I wear so much of like one color or a similar color where, I don't know if I got anything to match with these. The toe box again, it does have the perforations. It's not all over like the Air Force One for some reason. I don't know how I feel about that. The eye stays, that's also, that same leather, same material. On the tongue, it does say Lacoste, that is stitched in, so it's like a plastic. and then it's got some laces, good laces, decent laces. They remind me of the laces on like ballet runners or whatever. And then on this side it's just plain, not too much going on, not too much information, just, you know, a few bits and bobs of the design. It's literally like very much, you could say symmetrical, but it's not symmetrical, if you know what I mean, because it's similar. It's pretty symmetrical, it's whatever. But yeah, they're very you know, a casual shoe. I do know people who like these a lot. So a couple of my friends like these a lot, so shout out to them. They actually grown on me a lot since I've got them. Before I bought them just for a review, now I'm thinking, they're quite nice. I did try them on. So on foot, decent comfort, to be honest. Sizing for me was odd as well because they fit true to my Air Force One size. So UK 9 Air Force One, UK 9 for these, perfect fit, to be honest. Comfort, definitely, you know, not lacking in the comfort side. I haven't worn them all day, so I can't really tell, but it is padded collar, and then the inside, it's kind of off-white and just says Lacoste in the inside. But yeah, people, man, it's quite different. You know, it's always good to kind of step out of your comfort zone. Let's not be hype beasts, you know, just I just like Jordans, I just like Dunks. Nah, man, grow out of it sometimes, man. Step out of your comfort zone, try something new. And you know, that's what I did. Stepped out the comfort zone, try something way new. I wouldn't have bought these ever before. But yeah, I bought these for review. Now they're growing on me. You never know, you might see them on foot one day. But yeah, people, man, tell me what you think of these. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Tell me if you want to buy them. Not off me. And yeah, tell me if you like them, if they're comfortable, whatever. Let's talk sneakers, man. Make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you leave a share. Make sure you share. And make sure you subscribe. And most importantly, take care, people.